Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video on thecanvachi.com. I'm filming this one on the same night as I filmed the last one, if you guys don't know. So yeah, this one is top 5 clean fragrances. So these are clean office style fragrance or clean fragrances in general that I really enjoy. So first one here we're gonna talk about is Armani Code Colonia. Now this one is one that is just very classy, alongside being clean and smelling a little bit playful at the same time. So what this thing is it takes the original Armani Code DNA, which is heavy on kind of the juvenile, the young, fun, club, bar environment, those kind of vibes and feeling, tone it down a bunch, really put a clean white linen shirt over all of that, and you get Code Colonia. What I mean by that is that it has a really nice clean element, really nice clean white linen vibe in here, but underneath all of that still retains the original DNA in here, which is something fun, something playful, something youthful, masculine. It's still hiding underneath the clean linen, the fresh citrus, the really nice kind of slightly powdery white clean feeling. That's what's in Code Colonia. And that's why I like Code Colonia so much, because it's not just a clean fragrance, it has a lot of nuances that goes with it as well. So if you like a clean fragrance with more going on, then you're going to like Code Colonia. Now, the performance of this thing is subpar at best. It's not the best performing fragrance ever. This thing lasts on me around 4 to 6 hours. That's the range. So it's not gonna last you all day. It's not gonna be something 8+ hours that you spray once and you're good for the rest of the day. This is one of those fragrances where I recommend just wearing it to occasions where you know you're gonna be out for maybe just 5 hours max, 5-6 hours max. If you're going to the office, I would say just bring a decant of this or just leave this fragrance at the office to refresh halfway in and you should be fine. Besides the office, this one is also good for just relaxing in general. If you like wearing white t-shirts, you like just lounging around, you like dressing up more clean, more reserved, this one will fit you really well, especially summer nighttime. This one, summer daytime would be good, but summer nighttime is definitely the most pristine time to wear this fragrance because it just smells extremely, like I said again, clean with a little bit of dark playfulness in the back. It fits the nighttime perfectly. So if you're wearing a white t-shirt, you're taking your girlfriend or your wife on like a nice kind of moonlight date, I guess, or any activities where you guys are outside in the evening time, this is one that I recommend you wear because again, it smells really clean, it smells really classic, smells gentlemanly, and overall it has a masculine playfulness in the back that really wraps everything together in a nice bow. So it feels like a really complete fragrance when you wear it. I really like Code Colonia a lot, and yeah, if you guys have not tried this one yet, you guys really should. It's one that I praise over and over again, and if you guys have not experienced this one yet, really try it out for me here. So yeah, first one here, Code Colonia. Second one here I'm gonna talk about is Y. This one is Y EDT, the original Y. This one has a really nice, clean, kind of sage, almost watery-ish kind of clean vibe, a little bit of sweetness, but really nice. This one, the age range, I would say, definitely smells like it leans towards the younger crowd. I would say 25 and under. Over 25, I can't see it for some reason. Normally, I don't like to put age on fragrance, but I really cannot see this one being worn by anyone older than 25. It just smells youthful to me. It smells young. It smells not so much middle school. I guess there's not a lot of middle school fragrance, but it smells somewhat like high school, like junior, senior, and going all the way up to college and maybe just freshly out of college, that kind of age. So 18 to 25 is what I see with this one, absolutely. It smells clean, fresh, it's bright, it's youthful, it's energetic, it's alive, it's something that's easy to wear and easy to appreciate by just pretty much anyone. So yeah, this is one that kind of like a one and done. In terms of versatility as well, you can wear this anytime. You can wear this to school, you can wear this to class, you can wear it to the club, you can wear it to bars, you can wear it on maybe to a friend's house. You can wear this thing generally anytime. Hanging out with your girlfriend, going on a date. This is just one of those fragrances that when people smell it off you, it's just gonna smell nice. It's just gonna smell really attractive in a really clean way. So yeah, this is gonna be your non-offensive safe option for someone who's younger. Really enjoy this one so far. YSL YEDT. If you're 18 to 25 and you're looking for something that's just one and done, you want to invest in just one bottle that fits every situation and that can get compliments and performs pretty decent, then you go with this one, YEDT. Next one here, we have one from BVLGARI. This one is BVLGARI Wood Neroli. This one is classy. Really classy Reserve Neroli fragrance. This one is one of the best releases of last year to me. The Wood Intense version of this, the first one that came out for this line, is very much a super reserved classy gentleman scent. That takes the whole gentlemanly DNA into an extreme direction that makes it really hard to wear for a lot of people. This one, being that it's neroli, is really toned down. Anyone can wear this and it still retains a really nice reserved gentlemanly vibe. This is one, if I were to put an age range on this one now, I would say this is 25 plus. So definitely out of college, you're more well put together, you dress well, you know what you want, you know what you're doing, and you want to smell elegant without coming off try hard. You want to smell clean, classic, reserved without coming out like you're the cologne guy. This one is a very natural smelling neroli. It's clean. It would complement your scent really well right after a shower, you would say. If you're using kind of like a low scented soap or an unscented soap, this would complement your natural clean smell extremely well. So wear this one right after a shower for the best results in my personal opinion. In terms of season, this one smells a lot like a summer fragrance for sure. In the fall and winter time, this one does not have the performance to fight it. This thing performs around 4 to 5 hours, 4 to 6 hours given, so not the best for fall and winter time. And the smell itself is not dense enough for fall and winter time. So definitely summer or late spring is the best time to wear this because it does have that bright kind of floral, clean, really reminiscent of like a late spring or summertime where everything is brighter, fresher, more invigorating. That's when you want to wear Wood Neroli by BVLGARI. And again, like I said, it's one of the best release of last year. It fits a niche extremely well. There's a place in the market for this. Everything is good about this fragrance except for the caveat that it just doesn't perform too well. At 4 to 6 hours, it's lacking in that department. Projection is all right, but that's why you pick the best time to wear it. Wear it in the spring or wear it in the summer. And for occasion, wear this absolutely anytime. There's no time at all where you can't wear Wood Neroli. You can wear it to work, on a date, you can wear it just anytime at all. It'll work for you because it smells clean and it complements your clean, kind of classic reserved smell or reserved outfit extremely well. Next one we're going to talk about is L'Homme Ideal Cologne. This one was recently discontinued, so I'm gonna jump into a little bit of that before I jump into talking about the scent. This one is one that you want to grab right away. We do have decant of this on Decant Boutique, but this is one that I would not recommend you buy a decant first. This is still $20 on eBay, which is still cheap. You can still readily find it. So for me, I would just grab a bottle right away. If you end up not liking it, you can always sell it back later and recoup that money for sure. But right now is the best time to buy this fragrance. It smells extremely nice. It has a clean kind of almondy vibe. It's one of the most creative summer smell you'll find out there. One of the most creative clean smell that you'll find out in the market right now. It is one of the absolute gem, and it's sad to see it going away. So the story behind this one is that it's being replaced by L'Homme Ideal Cool. So L'Homme Ideal Cool is a minty, kind of mentally clean, bright, fresh summer scent. It's very invigorating, very nose grabbing, but only in the opening. And to me, the mint in there, my personal opinion, comes off a little bit like toothpaste. I don't really enjoy L'Homme Ideal Cool all too much. I much prefer L'Homme Ideal Cologne. It's sad that they can't coexist in my personal opinion. I wish they have gotten rid of the sport version of L'Homme Ideal line because I think that's the weakest one of the bunch, is the sport version. But they went ahead and got rid of one of the best summer fragrances that's ever been released on the market, L'Homme Ideal Cologne. So very sad there, but yes, grab this one while you still can, while it's still affordable on the market before the price jacks up. And I foresee the price being jacked up maybe in the next 3-4 months or so, as the fragrance stock slowly depletes without any new batches coming out from the company, because again, they discontinued it. So yeah, this one, back to the scent, extremely good, almondy, sweet, really not pungent at all in the sweetness, by the way. It's a really nice, clean, airy, effervescent type of sweet. alongside the smooth almond note, vanilla. It's a really clean summer scent done in the most creative way imaginable, for me anyway. And the quality of the ingredients in here is really good. Guerlain knows what they're doing when it comes to ingredients, and they do it extremely well inside L'Homme Idéal Cologne. Extremely love this fragrance for everything except for one thing that you guys probably know. When it comes to clean fragrances, they are not so great performing, and this one falls under the same bandwagon as those fragrances to where it just doesn't perform all too well. This thing lasts on my skin 4 to 6 hours as well, same with a lot of the other fragrances here. But if you're wearing it in the summertime, in the springtime, you really should have no problem. The sun is gonna help you with that kind of projection. You might wanna carry around a decant of this if you're gonna go to work, or leave a decant of this at the office to reapply. But other than that, it's a really, really beautiful fragrance. And if you're a collector of unique fragrances, if you're a collector of designer fragrance even that has a unique appeal, and you do not own this one yet, you really should consider adding this one to your collection. It's a really nice fragrance, like I said again, one of my favorite summer fragrances ever. Sad that it's discontinued. And right now, even off the top of my head, I can't even think of a fragrance that comes even close to this one in terms of smell. So the uniqueness factor, it's also up there as well. There's nothing like this one out there. The only fragrances that are similar to this one are gonna be the flankers that's in the same line with the same almond note. But other than that, nothing out there from any other brand comes close to L'Homme Idéal Cologne. Next one we're gonna talk about here is Gentleman Cologne by Givenchy. This one, fantastic. If you guys ever smelled Pure White Cologne by Creed before, that one's a really nice clean scent. It has kind of like a watery citrus note in it that's really, really appealing. But the price tag on that one is ridiculous. It's like somewhat like $300–400 for that thing. It is so bad. This one is similar to that, but instead of aquatic type citrus, it's more dry in nature, which makes it a little bit different, but the vibe is still there. Clean white t-shirt, reserved, gentlemanly, great for spring, great for summertime. Wear this in a white t-shirt and brown pants, you'll be extremely well put together. I would say it would fit you really well with that outfit. If you're one of those guys who like to relax more in the summertime, lounge around, maybe at the beach, you know, with your Ray-Bans, again, white t-shirt, maybe some like, you know, beach pants, this fits really well, and it smells more elegant than your normal clean fragrances out there. It has more going on in here that gives it a really luxurious type of feeling. So this would fit well as a vacation fragrance as well. If you're going on a beach vacation, summer vacation somewhere, when everything reopens, this is one that fits that kind of vibe very well. Very luxurious, clean, gentlemanly, easy to wear citrus fragrance that to me it's even better than Pure White Cologne, because Pure White Cologne is one that I want to own. I just can't stomach the price tag of that one ever. But when I discovered this one, it just blew me away. This one to me, I would wear over Pure White Cologne any day. And the price tag on this one, much cheaper than Pure White Cologne by Creed. So yeah, check this one out if you guys have not done so yet. Givenchy's Gentleman Cologne. Alright guys, that's it for this video today. Thank you so much for watching. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and bye.